Good morning. This is day 61 and I just left camp a little while ago and it's raining. It was thundering last night in the evening and this morning as well, and everything is kind of wet and damp, but that's fine. It's just the AT. And today I'm trying to go around 20-25 kilometers maybe, so that I'm closer to the Woods Hole Hostel for tomorrow. And yeah, there was a small campsite. Actually, I think in the comments of Far Out it said that it fits like 2 or 3 tents, but we managed to fit 8 tents there because the thunderstorm started yesterday and everyone just like hunkered down in there. But yeah, we all fit. And now I'm hiking with Fresh. I met him I think 3 or 4 days ago, and yeah, we're planning to go to the next shelter and have breakfast there because it's raining, so it would be nice to be out of the rain. But anyway, let's see what the day will bring. It's moving. Wow! Oh my god, this video is gonna be chaotic. It looks like I'm drunk, but I'm not.
That was me.
Hold on, let's see the... Oh, nice. A little... No! Fresh no. No jumping. Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah. I bet there's a lot of catfish in there.
Catfish? Yeah. Oh, look at this spider web. Oh, it doesn't show in the camera, but look how cool. Wow, this was a cool bridge. Awesome. So apparently the storm last night was really bad. Lots of big trees fell onto a road and there were houses without electricity for several hours. And I guess the spot where we camped, we just got lucky because, I mean, yeah, we got rain and thunder and a little bit of, well, I don't even know if there was a lot of wind, but nothing as serious as pretty close to where we were. So lucky us. And we also just got a ride to a gas station from this nice previous year's Thru-hiker, and we got some pizzas and some cold drinks, and that was really nice. And now we're hiking to see the Dismal falls. That should be nice. We've had a pretty chill day today, but that's fine. 80 north, Dismal Falls, side trail to see the pretty falls. I hope they're pretty. I've heard they're pretty. I guess we'll see. The moss does.
Moss and the rays of light.
Yeah.
Got some really cool rays of light photos in Smoky.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, I'm at camp. Here's my tent. And we're having pizza for dinner, leftover pizza. It looks kind of mushed, but. And I brought the rest of my cherry Coke, so yay. Okay. So apparently Fresh has learned that if you can, you can use Fritos to start a fire, and it clearly works. So that's a cool trick for
Oil corn and salt, an old AT special.
yeah.
Good to eat and good to light.
That's awesome.